First of all, congratulations
Thank
to being part
you.
of Unang Hear It and to reach this 25 years na included ka, di ba? Grabe.
Silver anniversary.
How was it? Since 1999 nag-start ko.
Oh my goodness. Well, I was already born nung nagsimula ang unang hirit. 3 years old na tayo niyan.
Yeah.
Pero to be part of something that you've always looked up to, lumaki ako na nanonood ng unang hirit. Nakatutok. No joke. Walang halong pangtsatsaro't. It feels amazing. And I take pride on that na naging parte ako nito. Kasi who'd have thought na magiging parte ako ng bigger picture. And it gave me that sense of belongingness na parte ako ng unang hirit barkada. At wala, just nakaka-proud lang. Yun lang, tuwan-tuwa lang ang puso ko na we get to be part of this big celebration.
Unang Hear It is such an icon.
It
So,
is.
iconic show na talaga, di ba? Tapos, ano ba yung process nung, paano ka nakapasok dito? Guest ka lang ba una? And dahil magaling ka ba mag-host, ano yung
Nako,
process?
prior to unang hirit, wala talaga akong hosting background. This has been my training ground and still is my training ground, no? And I'm very thankful for unang hirit kasi I started as a guest,
Wow.
knowing nothing about, well, I know something about the show, but I know nothing about hosting. Pero this has been a great platform for me to hone my skills and develop yung hosting na meron pala sa akin. Kasi if not for hosting, hindi rin naman talaga ako makaka-travel ngayon, hindi ako makakabili ng mga gusto ko. And napakalaking mileage ni Unang Hirit for my professional career dahil nakakapag-host na ako sa labas ngayon and I get to earn even more. Diba? So, kailangan ko maghanap buhay and this has been a great part of my,
Career.
I would like to say, success sa career na to. Yun.
Parang you've been destined to it. Kasi grabe, hindi halatang, parang hindi ka sanay na,
Siguro wag na lang natin balikan yung mga dati kong videos kasi hindi ko ma-replay yun eh. But first few weeks ko, I couldn't even rewatch it. Pero thank you for your kind words kasi alam mo, it took me time to embrace my hosting skills kasi hindi talaga siya evident before. I mean, it's not that I'm doubtful of myself. Parang iba rin kasi yung competition. Mas maraming magagaling, mas maraming na marunong. And how would I even fit in that scene? So, being recognized and being part of something like this, na nare-recognize yung skills ko, and being able to receive compliments from people na talaga namang mas marunong sa akin, feels so good. At saka talaga nababalidate yung ginagawa ko. So yun, ang sarap sa feeling pala. Ang sarap sa feeling.
tama. Ayan. And of course, di ba nanood ka ng Hello Love again?
Oh yes, that's right, I mentioned.
Kamusta yung feeling na nakapanood ka ng, which is, di ba, 1 billion?
1 billion.
Na.
Oh, nasurpass na nga eh.
Cap din.
Oh yeah, well of course, Catherine Alden, no doubt magagaling na actor. And
With Alden, since
I've worked with
startup.
Alden, yes. Pero few scenes lang yun, I wasn't able to really bond with him. Pero nakita ko kung paano siya maging professional sa ginagawa niya. And Catherine, I've watched Hello Love Goodbye before, a couple of times. At saka isa siya sa mga nasa listahan ko kapag gusto ko maiyak. Nasa movie list ko siya. Ayoko na ipakita yung notes ko kasi may iba pang movies doon. But it's part of that list. And wala, nakaka-inspire lang lalo na umarte. As what I've said kanina, gusto ko pang umarte dahil doon sa mga nakikita kong magagandang scenes doon sa pelikula. At saka, ayun, I just like to congratulate the team ng Hello Love Again for such a wonderful movie. It's a masterpiece.
It's a collaboration of GMA and di ba? Ayun.
Yeah.
Ano, paano nagbago ang buhay mo kung nakikita?
Hello, good afternoon, Ms. Rose. Magbago buhay ka raw. Ano ba yung tanong? Paano po nabago?
Parang naiiyak ka parang
Ako, definitely. Pero I cannot just put into words kung paano nabago, kung gaano kalaki nabago ng unang hirit yung life ko for the past almost 3 years of my life. Who would have thought na magiging parte pala ako ng longest running morning show ng Philippine television, ang unang hirit. Well, una, syempre sobrang saya. My family here as well, nandito yung mami ko. Isa siya sa mga pinaka masaya na naging parte ako nitong tinututukan lang namin dati na morning show kada umaga. Pero I'm super grateful kasi this has opened a lot of opportunities for me. Not just professionally but also personally kasi in my private life, I'm a nobody naman eh. So this has gained me a lot of recognitions Also, praise from people who I never thought would compliment me in such ways na ikatutuwa ko talaga. And also,
Iiyak na. Iiyak na.
Iiyak ka na.
wait lang. Ano ba yan? Mami umiiyak! Pero honestly, to wrap it up, no? It has changed my life in so many ways. I've learned to be more adaptable to other people. Kasi iba-iba kami ng mga pinanggalingan sa buhay. But here we are as a family and even off-cam as what Igan has mentioned. Iba yung connection namin lahat. Iba yung rapport, iba yung friendship on and off-cam, which is so amazing. Kasi hindi siya usually nangyayari pala dito sa industriya ito. Usually after tape, hindi na kayo magkakausap. But here, we keep on updating each other even on weekends at talaga ng mga alam namin yung mga nangyayari sa buhay ng isa't isa. So, I'm forever grateful for that.
Okay. From acting to being a live show host at Unang Hirit, paano yung mga naging adjustment?
Well, surprisingly not much. Kasi I have been training for early morning calls. Kasi just for other people to know, before joining the industry, nasa corporate po ako flight attendant po ako before. And I was I was a hotel year 2. So na-train na po ako sa pagpupuyat, sa pa-iba-ibang schedule leasing. Kaya naman po nung nag-join ako sa Unang Hirit, and even dun sa acting po, transitioning from acting to hosting, I don't really need that much transition. It's just a matter of honing my skills as a host. Yun lang.
Ang last na, hindi ko nami-miss yung acting, lalo na yung mga, of course, nanood ka sa mga real series, yung mga ganun, hindi ko nami-miss yun.
Naku, iba yung way na kahit pa naman yung po sila, mami ko, and even Shaira, my partner, sila yung usually nasasabihan ko na nakakamiss umarte. Lalo na kapag nakakanood ka o nakakakita ka ng mga magagandang pyesa, tulad nung recently, Hello Love Again. I was just watching them, absorbing every scene nila, Catherine and ni Alden. Tapos, napapatabig talaga ako sa katabi ko, yung mga friends ko kasama na naman ko, nakakamiss umarte. Nakakamiss umarte. Na parang, if I would be given the chance to act again, I'll make sure to give my very best. And I know I have something in me that will be able to deliver quality performance when I'm given the chance. So, yun. To answer again, sobrang miss ko po.
GMA, pala sila. GMA picture.
Baka po nanonood po ang mga kataas-taasan. I'm willing to do
available po.
heavy drama. I've never tried heavy drama, so that's what I'm looking forward to in the future, hopefully.
Thank you, Kalot.